My name is Benahili Ojeme. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this series, I update my fans and supporters on how I am making my business Zakai into a $1 million company. I'm a small 27-year-old girl living in Lagos, Nigeria. And yeah, I'm even living in my mother's house. I'm a squatter. So I'm building from scratch. Yeah, the company is still like a baby. We are less than 2 months old and we're just figuring things out. So last week I shared more about like the fact that like we started working on this whole factory thing. And yeah, I did like it's upside down, like kind of a sketch, a design of like the floor plan. There's some other things that you may or may not understand here. But yeah, it's just to show you guys that we're making progress. I spoke to my business partner and investor, and he's like, we need to bring some other people on board. You need to do a pitch, blah blah blah, yada yada yada, and also you need to think about wastewater management. They taught me wastewater management in school. It was probably even multiple courses that we did. I don't remember anything. I never paid attention. And like, if I had known that, okay, well, this would be my life now, maybe I would have paid attention. Like, I feel like we need to have foresight in this life. You know what? This is a lesson. Learn this lesson. Please take things seriously. Whatever path God is leading you on is most likely significant in the future. Do not like take it for granted, even if you feel like it's not going to be important. Take it seriously. I think it's in the Bible. It says that whatever work you do the work as if you are working for God. Something, I'm not sure, but yeah, take your school, your work, anything you're learning or doing, take it seriously, because you don't know like how you're going to be using it in the future. So I've been doing research into the whole wastewater thing. And yeah, I'm learning a lot and trying to see my options. Another thing I have to do now is figure out if this is even a profitable venture, in the sense that if we're going to put money into getting this done, are we going to make money back? Because it's going to be a long-term thing. There has to be an investment in like landed like property, that's like a space. Like you need to buy equipment, this one, that one. I need to pay salaries as well. So I'm going to do research. Everybody in this West Africa, in fact even in the world, that has an online presence that is any way, shape or form making things with adire fabric, like hand dyed adire or like batik fabric, I want to know you. Like, I'm going to find who you are and I'm going to have an inventory of who you are, and because you are a possible customer. Like, if I'm going to be a big player in this industry, I need to know a lot about it. Yeah, like I need to be obsessed. Like, another cool thing I did this week was I designed a timetable for myself, and maybe I'll show you guys like a screenshot of what it looks like. I'm very excited to follow my timetable, because one thing I don't want to do is neglect anything I'm working on. I want to be sure I am diligently stewarding everything I am working on, because you can work very hard for very long and sometimes feel like you haven't done enough, and I hate that feeling. I like to know that I have achieved something when I'm done working. So yeah, that's another cool thing I did. Was there a lesson to learn from this? No, it's supposed to be an update. So yeah, so the people following this journey to making Zakai a $1 million company, thank you for watching, and yeah, we'll power through. See you in the next video. Bye.